Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Etisam. I am 7 years old. I am in class 1. My father's name is Ali. I love my mother. I have 2 brothers and sisters. My favorite color is blue. I love to play cricket. I like to eat apples and mangoes. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. My best friend is named Ahmad. His favorite color is green. His favorite game is tennis. His favorite food is vegetables. And now it's the end. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching and do not forget subscribe.